my little clamps again, and I brought some additions to add to the clamps to make them work a little better, I think. So let's see how that works too. Okay, what we got is I've got a piece of unistrut, and I got a block of wood that's stuck in it. So I've got a bolt, piece of unistrut, goes down in this piece of unistrut here. So you just drop the peg in there. Same on this side. Here's little blocks of wood. They go inside and they keep it from rocking when you lock it together. So I'll show you what it does. This end over here, what I did is I made this block of wood with a little bushing in it. 1 inch, a 3/4 bolt with a nut. I drilled through it, threaded it with a 3/8 tap. So that makes an adjuster where I can put pressure on this to put pressure on it. So what we do is we put that right there. We'll drop that one in that hole right there and it'll be ready. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and make everything up and glue it, and then after I get it all made up, we'll slide it in here and put it together right quick, okay? So let's see how this goes. See if I can get it all figured out right quick. So let's put some wood together. If you're gonna do this, you always use your pinky finger. You know why? Because sure as the world, if the phone rings or something, you're gonna have to go get it. And if you only cover your pinky finger with glue, well, you can still go answer your telephone. So yep, I need to make those little adjuster holes in there a little bit bigger, something to go to. Man, I got glue shooting out through all the cracks and crevices. Check it out. Pretty good push. All the seams seem to be really pushed together good here. Got a lot of nice glue push out. Same on the top. I think I might throw another extra clamp on the top of it to be safe. Put one right in the center. I'm gonna make another one of these. I only made 2, but I'm definitely gonna make some more. I don't know if I needed that or not, but I figured I'd put it on for safety. The thing looks pretty darn good. All nice and square and straight. Yep. I think we got her, folks. We're ready to trim the final size and okay. So get trim that down to final size tomorrow after the glue sets up, and spin it around, chop it up a little bit on the edges, true it up, put it on the CNC machine and make another guitar. And don't think I hadn't thought about necks, because I have. I got a stack of maple over there and I'm fixing to start learning to make necks. So that's the next thing coming. So anyway, we get some good bodies out, then we'll start on some necks, and we'll get it all done. Eventually, we'll cut some fingerboards too. I think my clamps are a success, I have to say. They sure feel like they are really on there tight. So, hey, that's the best I can hope for. What we got is we made this up last night. Glued all our wood up in it. Let's take the big clamp off first. Let's take this off. This was just like a secondary thought here I put on last night. for anybody that's wondering about that part. So let me move this back, set it over here out of the way. Table. I'll take out a regular old little ratchet right here and back off on this. Block's got a little insert in it. I don't know if y'all see that or not. We're going to break this one loose right here a little bit and take it off. I just loosened those up is all I did. Now I'm just going to take this and wiggle it and lift it off out of the way. Wiggle this one around right here a little bit. Bring it off. And then we got a piece of wood right there in the way. That one's okay, but this one's stuck. Simple as that. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the way that thing tightened that up. It is really, really tight. You know what the secret to everything is? Watch it on YouTube. Y'all know that. Hey, come see me, subscribe. I welcome anytime to the Frugal Fixer Shop, guys. Always welcome to the Frugal Fixer Shop. We'll talk to y'all later.